Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make easy Cajun chicken drumsticks. This recipe is crazy popular, probably because it's super easy to make and it produces the most flavorful drumsticks that everyone loves. Especially my kids, they love drumsticks and Cajun chicken drumsticks are their favorite. We're going to lightly grease a baking sheet and preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we'll lay out 8 to 10 chicken drumsticks. Now they often come with the skin pulled back like this, just how they packaged it. So what you want to do is make sure you pull the skin up tight to cover the meat. This is also a good chance to double check your butcher's skills because there shouldn't be any broken bones like this. The bones should be solid and intact. Then, if there's any little fatty pieces or excess skin, you can trim that off while you're at it. Then we're gonna set these to the side for a second and put together a homemade Cajun seasoning. My Cajun seasoning requires 10 ingredients, starting with 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of dried oregano, half a teaspoon of dried basil, half a teaspoon of dried thyme, then last 3, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne for that little bit of a kick. We'll stir this together. Then we're gonna sprinkle this right over our drumsticks. You can kind of pat it in, and don't forget to season both sides. Now the key to a great chicken drumstick is that crispy skin. So once you have all of your drumsticks seasoned, you'll grab some butter and we'll slice off little 1/2 tablespoon slices and place a slice on top of each drumstick. This will melt over the chicken as it cooks and give the crispiest skin. These are gonna be finger licking good. Then we're gonna roast these in a 400 degree oven until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. That does vary based on the size of your drumsticks, so it's hard to give a time estimate, but it's gonna be somewhere between 30 and 40 minutes. They're letting the chickens grow bigger and bigger, so it could be up to 50 or 55 minutes too. Which is why I always use a meat thermometer so I don't have to guess if my chicken is done or not. Now, the safe cooking temperature for chicken is 165 degrees Fahrenheit, but when it comes to dark meat like drumsticks, 172 produces the most juicy results. Giving that dark meat just a little longer to reach 172 produces the most tender, juicy results. And then that's it. You are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.